Are you looking for your dream place but don't know where to start? Are you tired of these fake ads, fake rooms, and finally want to see something real and authentic? In this video I will teach you 5 steps how to rent your dream place in London properly, and a few other tricks as well coming up. Welcome to 21st Estate, #1 online guide for renting and letting real estate in London. If you have made decision to move to London from abroad or another city in UK and don't know where to start, if you have decided to relocate and need some extra tips to make the most of it, if you have bad experience or no experience in renting at all, or simply you want to know how the market works, and on top of that you want to know some dirty real estate secrets that no one is talking about, then this channel is specially for you. For those who are first time here, my name is Oscar and I will be your personal guide and advisor. For those who have been here before, hi and welcome back to another episode. In today's episode I will teach you step by step how to rent best possible place in London. So make sure you watch all the video till the end so you do not miss anything of this. Let's start. Number 1, you need to know what you are looking for and how to set up yourself for a great start. So first thing, you need to know budget, an area where you will look for a room. So how to do that? One more time I will repeat, walking or cycling to work in London is a gold. Make sure you are close to your work so you do not need to spend any extra money on traveling, but instead invest in bare accommodation. So now you know the area and budget, and now you are not anymore shuffling browser from one side to another, but you are serious about renting and you know what you are looking for. Number 2, searching. Online presents a lot of searching platforms, but the best ones in searching for a room is Spare Room, Facebook, and Open Rent, and also Body. If you have chosen Spare Room, sign in and pay £5 or £8 for a month to get early bird access to phone numbers, so you can contact person who advertises instantly. Try to call first and then leave the message if person doesn't answer for your call. In Facebook, write first and ask for phone number to arrange the meeting. If you get response where person who advertises the room seems a bit lazy or off, then take the next ad. Do these activities systematically 3 to 5 hours a day and you will get results, I can promise you that. Also, I want to give small tip here. Look for a place that have been posted as new in that day. Do not even look for yesterday. Manage your day properly. Let's say 4 times a day or every 3 hours you will open certain websites and search. Number 3, eliminating the fake ads. Remember, online is dodgy place and a lot of people tend to play games, so you need to be ready for that. Let's imagine you see something that you like. Price is also good and location perfect. You get in touch with the person but being asked to come to office, so do not bother to continue the conversation because this was fake ad. Also, fake ones are those ones where people ask to send deposit before they will come to show you a flat. Well, London is different than other cities in Europe, but principles are the same. Do not pay anything to anyone before you see the place, period.
Don't make Oscar angry.
Always remember, serious agents, if you will show the interest in a place, will offer you to come to see it immediately because they want to rent. Rest of the storytellers, well, I don't want to even talk about that. So you got me. Number 4, communication instantly / arrange viewing. Try to arrange the viewing as soon as possible. London is a very vibrant city and if you will waste a bit of time, you might lose the place. Instant call or message will do the job. By doing that, you will be in the game constantly. Number 5, execution. You found something that had been posted straight away. You called and made the viewing. After 5 hours, what to do next? I will be a bit old school here and will tell you to take out some money when you are going to viewing. Let's say if the place is great, you need to secure it instantly at location by paying small part of deposit, let's say 200 to 300 pounds. Well, if place is bad, go home, cry a bit, and then continue from point number 2. These were 5 points, step by step, how to find your perfect place in London. Do not be afraid to go out there and look for it. Also, remember, online is a bit dodgy at the times, but when you set your priorities properly and create a plan, it is impossible to fail. Also, if you have anything to say, please do it below in comments section or get in touch with me in any your preferred social network. Good luck and see you on my next episode. Peace.